Welcome to O'Donovan Engineering, a family-owned, professionally run company located in Coachford, County Cork. We specialize in designing and manufacturing quality, innovative livestock housing and handling equipment. At O'Donovan Engineering, we are proud to manufacture our products in rural Ireland and employ staff from our local community. Our team consists of over 50 professionals, including sales, design, manufacturing, and support teams who work to ISO standards. We believe that our success is built on our commitment to quality and innovation. That's why our motto is, "Quality and innovation gives us the edge." With over 40 years of experience in the market, we are confident we have the solutions to make your farm work for you.